I've owned the car since 2012 and it's been through plenty of abuse throughout the years, so it's about time it got a bit of a refresh. To begin with, my window trim had begun to become brittle and had definitely seen better days, so off they came to be replaced. It may be hard to tell on camera, but the car is far from perfect with its fair share of dents, scratches, and typical wear. However, I won't be doing anything too extensive as I still drive the car daily. I wasn't planning on replacing my roof trim, but when I came out to drive one day, I noticed one side was missing. I'm not the biggest fan of fake carbon bits, but it was the cheapest option, so I decided to give it a shot. My brake calipers had been painted several years ago but had chipped over time, so I took this opportunity to give it a quick respray and I added gold Honda decals for a cleaner look. So a while ago when I was driving home, a cat jumped out in front of my car and damaged my front lip. I temporarily fixed it with some JB weld, but it's seen some abuse, so I opted to replace it with a new one. To complement my rear diffuser, I purchased a duckbill style spoiler for the car as well that adds a more aggressive look. I also decided to redo my door panels as they needed a respray. I resorted to using bed liner for the durability of the panels. Once the panels were resprayed, I masked off the top half of the doors and proceeded to coat them with flame. As it was my first time flocking, there's definitely a bit of a learning curve. However, despite several imperfections, I am satisfied with the results for now. As a final touch, I had started to notice my headlights had begun to show signs of age, so I figured it was time to swap them out for projectors with LEDs. I won't go into much detail as there will be a separate video on the install shortly, but they definitely helped transform the look of the car.